Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday unveiled the statue of Adi Shankaracharya at the premises of the Kedarnath temple in Rudraprayag district of Uttarakhand. Prime Minister inaugurated various redevelopment projects worth 130 crore rupees in Kedarnath. These projects include Saraswati retaining wall Ashtapad and Ghats, Mandakini retaining wall Ashtapad, Tirth Purohit houses and Garud Chatti bridge on river Mandakini. The Samadhi of Adi Shankaracharya has been reconstructed after its destruction in the 2013 Uttarakhand floods. Before the inauguration, the Prime Minister offered prayers and performed Aarti at the ancient temple. He paid obeisance to Lord Shiva and undertook circumambulation of the Kedarnath shrine after offering prayers. His visit comes ahead of the 2022 assembly polls in the state. Located on the bank of the Mandakini river, Kedarnath temple is one of the 4 ancient pilgrimage sites referred to as Chardham, which also include Yamunotri, Gangotri and Badrinath. Built in the 8th century AD by Jagat Guru Adi Shankaracharya, Kedarnath temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Modi was received at the Dehradun airport by Uttarakhand Governor Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami and his cabinet colleagues Subodh Unial and Ganesh Joshi, besides Uttarakhand Assembly Speaker Premchand Agarwal. Unveiling of the statue was streamed live at the 12 Jyotirlingas, 4 Shankaracharya mats or monasteries, his birthplace, and several prominent temples across the country. Kedarpur reconstruction is considered the Prime Minister's dream project whose progress is reviewed personally by him at regular intervals. It took 9 months of continuous work from Arun Yogiraj, the artist behind the 3D sculpture. The 12-feet statue of Adi Guru Shankaracharya was made from chlorite schist stone, which is known to withstand rain, sunshine, and harsh climate. While speaking to ANI, Arun Yogiraj, an artist from Mysore, said that a team of 7 sculptors worked continuously for 9 months, around 14 to 15 hours a day. He further said that the sculptors concentrated on a 360 degrees view of the statue and gave importance to structure, posture, gesture, realistic part, traditional aspects, the divinity in the face among the rest of the things. The process started in September 2020 and a team of 7 worked continuously for 9 months. We purchased 80 tons of raw material for sculpting the statue, which weighs 28 tons, he added. Adi Shankaracharya was born in Kerala. He was an 8th century Indian mystic and philosopher who consolidated the doctrine of Advaita Vedanta and made a significant contribution in unifying Hinduism by setting up 4 madhas across India. Uttarakhand holds much significance with respect to Adi Shankaracharya's life as he established one of the 4 madhas, Jyotirmath in Chamoli district, and also established the idol at Badrinath. He also took Samadhi at Kedarnath. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.